cool. His job is well, like a mile from my shop, just down Soto Street. And what is it resting on? Looks like we got a loaded 40-foot container resting on a roll-off bin. I like how they're flagging me down, like I don't know where I'm going. Well, let me just let me pull to the side. I'm gonna see how I can do this without blocking the most amount of view. Are you going in? And I like how I'm talking to that guy, like if you could hear me from here. Not too much. Oh. Easy. Easy, easy. Okay. So this is my best bet to get it. So I'm blocking as little traffic as possible.
That's just a one-man show? One-man show?
What do you mean?
Only you doing it? Or you got somebody else coming helping you out? So I'm saying, put it back together.
You mean like a second truck?
No, yeah, well, no, just someone else like helpers. I'm saying because I don't know how I tell these guys were trying to get it like with 5 forklifts, and they were gonna pull it. I'm like, nah, man. I call your boss. Like, he's my friend.
Man, you have no idea how many times I see people try to do forklifts and then I show up.
I know. It's like that's what I told him.
And then
I talked to the owner, and he's like, how much? I'm like, let me tell you the price. Oh, get it done. It's all right. Say no more. You got all these guys around.
No, it's just me. I'll be the one doing everything. We'll be in and out of here in no time, man.
You're the one that posts all the videos on Instagram, on YouTube.
I'm gonna post this one too.
I know, that's why.
I'm gonna put you in the video.
Bill said to watch the show.
That'll be over quick, man. Once I do my rigging, it's seconds.
I told them right now, look. I told Joe right now, okay? I text them, I'm gonna call him right now. I'm gonna tell them right now to email them the invoice, so before you leave, they can hand you the check, okay?
First step, set up my platform, get my outriggers out. I don't do much lifts off the back corner right here. Usually either off the back or off the side. Preferably off the side is what I'm used to working the most. But I'm doing that so I can keep that entrance open in this lane right here. All right, container slings, obviously. Excuse the mess. My Palm Springs job, which will be last week's video. Plus the rollover after means I haven't had a chance to clean it. So container slings, we'll use my 12-ton shackles. Actually, just in case. I'll use my 18 tons just in case this thing's really loaded. And finally, my load cell. I want to see how much I'm picking up on this heavy end. Because when I do my initial lift, the force isn't going to be even on each line. It only evens out once you're airborne. So this line's going to have a lot more force on it. And we'll get this sucker out right now. There's a company, by the way, really, really cool. I've been having a lot of fun with this thing. As you can see by how dirty it is already. 50,000 pound working load limit. trusty telescopic ladder. Good. Trusty container sling. Put this right here, should be fine. Done. Now this one can do a 12-ton shackle easily. Tighten up the cable first, then I'll extend my ladder to go up there. See the damage it did. Oh, you know what? You can see it's dug in there good. This might move as I come up. I got it. I got it. We will need to extend this out more though. It's time for a new ladder. It's getting harder to pull open. I wonder if it's... Make our way down. Get this out of the way. Finish setting up my platform. All right, 100 pounds. Let's start putting pressure on this. 13,080. Sí, por favor. ¿Lo quieres aquí o más para acá?
Ahí.
¿Sí? ¿Más? Ok. ¡Listo! ¿Más? Aguas, aguas.
Ahí bájatela.
13,000, just about. That means the whole load's 26. Sí. ¿Más? This bin took some damage. It's empty. Our trailer though, oof.
¿Crees que no hay problema ahorita porque le sacamos el aire a las llantas? No, ¿eh?
And I'm done. Let me put this away. I got no tension on it. Just a matter of climbing up and getting my rigging. No, it would be a lot easier if that telephone pole wasn't there, but I got a way more than enough distance from it. That's good. I love my container slings. Still keep container links in my truck, but it's just too cumbersome to attach to them and put the nut and washer right. Those are just so simple. gorgeous truck is put away. Customer's happy. Double check. Didn't forget anything. Tire repairs fixing that. Just a little bit of blue. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed.